Hello, Chef here. Another recipe for you. Orzo pasta. It only comes from Italy. Orzo. Okay, I'm going to show you how to cook this. In this recipe, I'll be using a lot of different vegetables and flavors here. Of course, we have the garlic. You got to have garlic. I removed the bottom of the garlic as well as peel it. 20 cloves of garlic here. You never get enough. If you want to learn more about garlic, check out this channel and search through the videos. There's a lot of information there. Sweet pepper, Spanish onion, zucchini, baby asparagus. Step one, I've got 4 quarts of boiling water here, a little bit of salt. I'm adding my pasta. I'm going to put the whole pound in here. Oh yeah, it's looking good already. Okay, I suggest now you stir it up. Okay, to prepare these vegetables, step number 1, sweet pepper. I'm going to remove the seeds from the pepper. Okay, I'll be using half of this pepper today, just like this. And what I like to do is cut the top off first, cut it into pieces like this, remove the pith. This part doesn't taste so good, as you might know. Okay, move this out of the way. Next, we got the onion. Same thing. Small dice. Half the onion today. Okay then, looking good. Zucchini, small dice. Oh yeah. Olive oil. I only buy the one from Italy, the real deal. Okay, olive oil goes in the pan like this, a nice portion. We start with our garlic. At this point, we put in our peppers, our zucchini, and our asparagus. Pepper. Sea salt. And then we're adding the orzo. This has been drained and it's cooling off. Start with a little bit like this. Okay, the finished vegetarian orzo pasta goes on the plate like this. Very, very nice. Of course, this would go perfect with chicken or fish or something else, but I'm going to serve it just like this, vegetarian style today. Got a little bit of this awesome mozzarella. I'm going to be putting a little bit of mozzarella cheese on here, just like this. And sometimes I use my torch, brown this cheese a little bit, just melt it a little bit. That is the finished pasta. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Oh, that's gonna be good. Please click that little like button and we'll be inspired to make some more videos. Yeah. Vegetarian orzo pasta. To talk to you today again about cutting board maintenance. When you notice your cutting board's getting a little bit dry, a little rough, and the color gets a little lighter, it's time to break out the oil. You can use the mystery oil, or you can use the board cream, or you can use the elixir. It doesn't really matter which product you use. It's just important to maintain the board. And one more thing, if your cutting board and your counter height is not ideal, you can add another cutting board like this. Just drop another one on top, you're good to go. Now you can achieve a more comfortable, relaxed position for cutting, chopping, cooking on, and it's better on your back and your body, and it's more comfortable. Once again here, selecting a cutting board. This is edge grain rock maple. And moving right along here, this one here is end grain rock maple. They're both really, really nice, and you can select these based upon size, thickness, dimensions, weight, movability, finger handles, big heavy block, not going anywhere. So check it out, support your sponsor right there. Have a wonderful day.